Today I'm excited to share with you the new Sweet Critters stamp set and coordinating die set from the Not Too Shabby shop. This is part of a hop that is going on, and I will have some more information on that for you here shortly, but I am going to use today's stamp and die set to create a cute little scrapbook page of my girls. Hi guys, it's Beth and welcome. Like I said, today I'm using the Sweet Critters stamp and die set from Not Too Shabby. It is their stamp and die of the month for March of 2022. And I went ahead and stamped all the critters on a couple sheets of pattern paper and then die cut them out using the dies just so I could have them all ready to go. And I am going to make a 12 by 12 layout today. And I do have all of my pieces pre-cut and kind of ready to go. And we'll put that page together with you. And this is a single photo layout, which is rare for me, but I just thought the picture went really well with all the cute little critters. This first piece that I am putting down, it is 10 by 7, and I chose pinks and a blue for my patterns, and then blue and peach for my little critters. And that's just because there are some stickers that I'm going to use here in a bit for my title, and those are colors that were in the stickers. So this cloud sheet that I'm putting down is 8.5 by 5.5. I just took an 8.5 by 11 sheet of pattern paper and cut it in half. And then this floral is 5 by 6. And I thought these critters would just go well with this photo just because of the fact that they were sweet little critters. My girls are wearing some comfy fleece pajamas that have little critters similar to that on them. And so I thought it just reminded me of little stuffed animals that you would take to bed with you and snuggle with at night. So those were the vibes I was getting. So I decided to bring in a pop of navy with that matte behind my photo. There is navy in the stickers that I'm going to be using, and I thought with all the pastels it just needed some dark color to kind of make things pop. And then I realized I should probably bring that peach up into the rest of my layout since I did stamp my critters. It was a really pretty peach polka dot pattern that just reminded me of like soft and fluffy and girly, and so I figured I should probably pull it up into the rest of my layout too so that the peach critters actually make sense. So here I'm just trying to center my photo amidst all of my different angles I have going on and the patterns behind. And I'm going to use just those little strips that I cut off of my die cut sheet to add on either side of my photo mat to make it look like it's going all of the way across. So while I'm doing that, I do want to say that this is a hop, and there are other design team members who will be sharing their projects and ideas using the Sweet Critters set. So please be sure to check them out. You can use the hashtag NTS Sweet Critters, which will be in the title and description box to check everybody out. So I stamped a full set of the critters in both that peach polka dot and in that aqua blue. And I'm just going to kind of alternate them down at the bottom, trying to figure out which ones I want and where I want them. And once I know I want them alternated, and once I get them laid out, I can go ahead and start gluing them down. One cool thing about these dies is that the hands actually are kind of cut out so that the hands of each critter will hold something. And there were some little items, little icons in the stamp and die set that are perfect for these critters to hold. Like this heart was part of the stamp and die set, and so I didn't stamp it. I just used the heart die and decided to let that peach one in the center hold that navy heart. And since this is a hop, there is a giveaway at the end. So if you hop through all of the design team members' videos, leave a comment. There is a Rafflecopter link that I will also have in the description box below, that after you've checked out all the videos, you can come back, fill out that Rafflecopter form, and then be in the running for a $25 gift certificate. And the giveaway is open until March 14th. And the gift certificate is for the Not Too Shabby shop, which has like so many cute stamps and die products. So finally getting the last ones of these laid out. And I'm fiddling, trying to get them perfect, and then I flinch and they move, and so it's a lost cause. But they're good. I'm good with it. And I think they look cute there at the bottom. And then it's an Echo Park sticker book. And like I said, I knew I wanted Happy Dreamer to be my title. And like I mentioned before, those stickers have a whole bunch of colors. And so I tried to pick a handful of them to pull into my layout. I did pre-cut some cloud dies from another die set from my stash, and I thought that would be cute to add my journaling on later. And now I'm just looking for some word and phrase stickers that I can maybe pull in to accent my layout and my photo. So I end up going with Sweet Dream Sister. And, that kind of ties in there, sister, and I wish it would have said dreams instead of dream, so I could have said sweet dreams, sister, but anyway. Now I'm going to add my clouds on either side, and I'm just going to do probably a little bit of journaling on each one. I don't have a lot to say about it, just that they were cute in their little matching jammy sets, all clean and ready for bed. So now I'm just looking to see if there's anything else I want to add, any other word phrases. I'm trying to stay away from the icons since I do have those critters. I want those to be the main focal point. So I found a phrase sticker that says, "You make me happy when skies are gray," which is from the "You Are My Sunshine" song. So as I was die cutting, I also cut out a bunch of those hearts that were in the die set. And I cut them in both that aqua and the peach that I used for my critters, and then you saw when I was putting my photo down on my mat that I also cut some in the navy. And I was really thinking that there should have been one more. I thought I had cut 4 of those navy hearts, but I can't find one. So if I find it, I'll add it probably up at the top of my title somewhere, just to pull that navy all the way up. That was kind of my intent, but I don't know where it went. So now I'm just going to lay out the hearts, and I wanted 3 hearts on each side, but I didn't necessarily want them to be in the exact same positions. So I wanted it to be equal, but not the same, not identical, like balanced, but not identical, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So I'm just kind of adding them down, and I thought the hearts kind of helped just kind of pull all the colors together throughout the layout. So I know there are a lot of colors and patterns, but I tried to stick to the soft colors other than that navy, just to kind of make things pop, just so that it wasn't too busy and too much going on. So here is my layout. Again, please be sure to check out the hashtag that will be linked to check out all of the other projects today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for your time today, and I hope you all have a very crafty day.